This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 11, microwave, oven, TV, water heater, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, skylight, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is 15,000 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.